Well, it's official. I'm trying not to swear within the first 7 minutes of the YouTube transmission because apparently I think YouTube might not push it out if you swear within the first 7 minutes. I don't know if that's a thing, but WTF, I know you're feeling this energy. Massive things have shifted within the last 36, 72 hours, even. And it's official. You are now entering your holy shit. Oops, I just totally, I don't know if they count that as a swear word. You're entering your magnetic AF era. Like, oh my God, is this actually real? Is this actually happening? And thank you for so many emails and Instagram messages from women that have been just confirming that the transmissions that they're receiving and the collective that is rising is that this is the new reality that you're stepping into. I've received so many messages, even within the last like few days, of amazing opportunities popping out of the blue. I've received amazing opportunities out of the blue, massive shifts, and also, yeah, the experience of being more magnetic, where it's like, oh yeah, this is effortless. This is you are the magnet. You are the one. It's your frequency. You are the transmission. You are the living transmission, and you are now calling all that is required for you to step into your highest divinely aligned blueprint and really, you know, uh, align with what your soul came here to do. So this is really fun and exciting energy, and there may be nervousness, there may be excitement, there may be decisions that need to be made, but as you make the decision with a full declaration, this isn't, you're no longer hoping or wishing. Like this isn't like you're giving your power away and waiting for the field to catch up and reflect back to you. No, 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 no. You are claiming, you are declaring, you are available for nothing less than your highest and greatest good. And now it's time to hold the line and be in the frequency of what you know to be true. If you need to make a decision, it's time to make the decision. That's what's coming through. There's no longer sitting on the fence. You're being catapulted, and you either take the leap of faith, jump, free fall with the universe, and God will catch you, or you kind of get kicked out of the nest one way or the other. You're either pushed or you jump. Either way, it's your soul in charge. And so this is happening. But there is a frequency of conviction that you declare of what you are available for. This is not something you can fake. This is you being fully embodied in your power, where you know in your heart and in your beingness what you are available, what you're not available for, what's in alignment, what's not in alignment, and you no longer operate from fear. If you're being faced with a decision, it's time to make the decision. Everything will begin to align for you as you make that decision. If you've already made the decision, whatever choice point, whatever divine crossroads you are being met with right now, you know you're being called in a certain direction. You know this in your heart of hearts. And there's this last little thing that's been tethering you to this fear-based grid. And that is over. You are cutting the cord to that energetically and making decisions in the 3D that align with what you know to be true. Following the fun, following the excitement, following the frequency, following the guidance, trusting and knowing that you are supported always in what you came here to do. This message is not for everyone. There's a lot of people that won't understand what the hell I'm talking about, but you do. And this is resonating with you at a core level. If this found you and it's resonating, it's for you. If it's not resonating, it's not for you. I'm not here to convince anybody, but I'm not speaking to everyone. And speaking to those that are being called right now to hold the line of what they know is possible and be open to receive the divine blessings, prosperity, and provision that is making its way into your reality. And I'm getting full body chills right now. And if there's any decisions that need to be made, it's time to make them. And you already know this because you're feeling it. I'm just confirming what you already know and feel in your heart. Everything has served you to this point. And everything has been supporting you up until this point and will continue to support you. And you are being guided to trust. You are being guided to choose. You are being guided to decide with full declaration and knowing that everything is always working out for you in your highest and greatest good. This is not wishful thinking. This is not fear-based hoping where you need something outside of yourself to save you. No, this message is not for you if that's the energy that you're in right now. This is for those that know. You know what is in alignment and what is not in alignment. And you are being called, pulled, and summoned into your highest timeline. And you can feel it. And many of you, like I shared earlier, have been reaching out confirming all of the transmissions and that is so fun to see. So thank you for that. Drop a comment if you are going through this transition and things are shifting and you can feel the timeline shift and you can feel what you're being called into and summoned into and what you're letting go of and what you're choosing or what you're deciding. If you feel called, share it. Drop it in the comments if you're resonating with this, or send me a message on Instagram if this resonates with you. I would love to hear it. I am not speaking if you've landed here. If you are still playing negotiation with fear, you are no longer negotiating with fear. If you're still negotiating with fear, this message is not for you. This is for those that have chosen, that are deciding, that are declaring. There is major abundance and prosperity flowing into your experience. You've done the work. This isn't your first rodeo. This isn't your first, you know, you've been through many rebirths and everything has supported you to get to where you are now. Everything has worked out perfectly. Every setback, every struggle, every triumph, everything has been preparing you for what your soul came here to do, which is activating within you now. As I share this, it's timeless and it's also very timely for this end of June 2025. You are being called to fully embody your truth. So I just got out of a dance class and had to record this because there's just so much fun energy, so much anticipation, so much like, and it's not like anticipation about something that's going to happen in the future. It's like you can feel things shifting, and it's like this juicy, exciting anticipation mixed with joy, but you don't even need to know or figure it out. It's like you're here. You are now romanticizing the process. You are now romanticizing the moment. You're no longer romanticizing some end result that you think that you need. You are fully surrendering to the divine and fully romanticizing finally you being you in the moment, enjoying life in the present moment. And because you have alchemized all of the denser the denser energies that have been bogging down your energetic system, you are now flying. You're flying into your next era. This is a very magnetic era, a very auspicious era, a very prosperous era. You are here to be seen. You're here to share your message, your gift, your sacred medicine with the world. And auspicious opportunities are flying in to support you in that. I'm getting full body chills right now as I share this. And this is because you finally chose yourself. Like, not a little bit, not 10%, not 50%, not even 90%. You have chosen yourself and you have full faith in the divine unwaveringly. If this message is for you, you know who you are. And if that is, if you're recognizing as I say this, where there's some kinks, maybe where that's not feeling the case for you, but it's still resonating with you because that is because this is what you're moving into. This is what you're moving into. This, what word wants to come through? This unshakable, unfuckwithable, divine confidence and trust in you, in what you're here to do, in the divine that's supporting the whole damn thing, and that is you and all the things. The illusion of separation is gone. You are one with all. And because you are one with all and you are living this, you are embodied, you are actualizing this realization. You are actualizing your self-realization. You are living it. You are being it. You are flowing with it. You are detached from how it needs to work out. Like trying to actually figure anything out at this point, you'll know that this is for you because trying to figure anything out, trying to make anything happen, trying to force anything, trying to like that just feels so restricted. That feels so constricting. It feels tight. Like you're here to play. You're here to for the unfolding. You're here for the moment. Moment. All just one big moment. You're here for it. You're here for it all. And you can hold the line. You can hold the line and allow the duality to play out because you are coming from such a level of faith and such a level of devotion and so embodied in your truth and your divinity that you can hold the line for whatever's phasing in and out of your experience. And you're no longer being tethered by this egoic mind that tries to loop you and hook you into fear. This is a whole new era. The old you, the old timeline, it's gone. It's gone. The Declare it for yourself now if this is resonating with you and choose whatever it is that you need to choose. Declare whatever it is you need to declare. Create the spaciousness, the energetic spaciousness for what is flowing in by being in alignment with your truth and saying no to everything that is not that, being in alignment for what you know to be true, opening to receive because you are worthy of it. You now know this. This is it's not even something that you like, you're innately worthy. You're here to receive without resistance. And this is something that you may have struggled with in the past, receiving unconditionally, receiving for being you, receiving for just existing. And this is the paradigm you're moving into. You just get to be you. You get to fly, you get to be free, you get to have fun, you get to be in your joy, you get to play, you get to create. You are creation. You're here to create. You're here to allow the divine to flow through you as the channel, as the vessel that you are, and create whatever is on your heart, your sacred medicine with the world, whether that be through sharing your voice, sharing your music, sharing your documentary, like sharing your healing services, your coaching services. It could be anything, a painter, like your medicine could be making cakes. And you could be the best fucking cake maker in the world and love everything about it and make the most delicious cakes. $25,000 cakes that are at the most prestigious weddings in the world. Who the fuck knows? There is no limit, is what I'm getting at. There is no limit to what is possible for you right now when you declare this and claim it. So this just had to come through right now. I'm getting full body chills and I am celebrating you. I'm celebrating me. I'm celebrating the collective. I'm celebrating the shift. I'm celebrating the transition. I'm celebrating all of the valleys and the pitfalls and the rugs getting pulled out and the dramas and the traumas and the all of it. I'm celebrating all of it because it all got you here right now. And you are fully embodied in your truth, in your divinity, and you are here to shine, and you are here to share, and you are here to be the living transmission of what is possible when you choose truth, when you choose love, when you choose freedom, when you choose all of that over fear. So that's it. I have a call in like a few minutes, so I'm gonna jump, but this was so fun to bring through. I'm celebrating you. If this resonated with you, drop a drop the champagne glass emoji. That's one of my favorite emojis that I've always tied to the Divine Femme brand. And the reason for that is it's not because it's like I don't even drink alcohol, but it's because it's the energy of celebration, the frequency of celebration. Life is a celebration. And it's time to celebrate everything that you are, everything that has got you here, everything that you continue to be. Life is a celebration. This moment is a celebration. So if you are still here with me and you've made it all the way to the end, I know this transmission is for you and you're part of this collective. Drop the champagne emoji in the comments. And if this is resonating with you and you want to dive deeper, I have plenty of containers available. I don't even feel called to dive into those right now, but the links are all there. So check them out. And if you have any questions, then Instagram is the best way to send me a question. You can also drop a comment, but if you can send me like a voice clip and like let me know what's up with you, I can direct you to whatever container makes the most sense. So my Instagram handle is spiritual CEO. So send me a message, connect. Let's connect over there. And until next time, I hope this finds you well. Namaste.